Okay, welcome back to another unboxing. This video I'm going to be doing the new JBL Boombox 3, which literally basically just come out like last week. I ordered this through the JBL store. Cost £450 here in the UK at the moment, and took a couple days to get shipped. So I've got the box here. Haven't opened it yet myself either, so will be a first time for all of us. We've got a relatively large box, nothing that we don't expect, I suppose. But yeah, it comes in a surprisingly big box as well. So we've got all of that. On the box here, we've got telling us it's got 24 hours of playtime, an IP67 waterproof and dustproof, power bank, and party boost. Be interesting to see if that party boost links with the party speakers, but I don't believe it does. So that's just the other speakers that have that party button. Like the other boom boxes, the charged and the flip speakers and stuff like that, it won't be able to pair with the party boxes, which is a bit annoying, but oh well. So I have cut these security things because it's completely impossible to do with one hand, although I do have a tripod on the way, so this will hopefully be the last unboxing that I do while holding the camera, so hopefully the quality is about to get much better of these. So yeah, nothing overly too exciting so far. We've got some JBL logos, Boombox 3. We've got a nice bit of cardboard on the top. Very thick bit of cardboard. It's nice to know that it's getting protected properly. And then we've basically just got a big sock over the whole thing. And I mean, we see this quite a lot with JBL speakers, to be honest. The unboxings are never really something to call home about. This is a cardboard box with a sock in it, I mean, basically. So while the JBL speakers, I mean, just put that down there for a second, in my opinion, are the best, the unboxings are definitely not. Right, so then at the bottom we've got this cardboard bit with a quick start guide, which is nice. Nothing normal, quick start guide, warranty probably. And then clearly a plug, and somewhere in here there will be a power cable. Yep, so we've got the plug there, and then just a standard power cable there, which is nice. Okay, so now I've got the sock on the sofa. And we can start to, wow. Quite hard to do with one hand, but sock is off. And we've got quite a familiar sight here, obviously, size-wise, material-wise, but a very nice design nonetheless. Still got the metal passive radiators with the JBL exclamation marks on them. Black ones like the Boombox 2 had. We've got our normal selection of power buttons at the top. Boombox 3 written on the handle. And the handle, may I say, is a very nice design. It kind of, it doesn't, they used to have just bits of plastic that went up and went smaller into the handle, but this is a very nice, I like that a lot. So yeah, it looks very nice from this angle. And then we've obviously got the rubber so it can sit on the floor. And then we've got our waterproof hole for the charger, USB for a power bank, and an aux cable probably for a line in. But yeah, so I think this one's 5.6 kilograms. So very similar to the last two. Quite heavy, but not the end of the world. But this is a really nice, really high quality. We've still got the battery indicator on the bottom as well. But yeah, this is very nicely made and feels very nice. So that's really it for the unboxing. I will have a play with it over the next day or two and do a review for you guys. Obviously a sound test, and then that will be up soon. So if you're looking forward to that, drop a subscribe on the channel. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.